Meet John, the operations manager of a multinational manufacturing company, working remotely from Germany. The company's factory is based in Malaysia. John's day is filled with managing complex manufacturing processes, accessing real-time data, and coordinating factory operations halfway around the world. But he often faces troublesome delays when accessing vital applications based in Malaysia. This lag isn't just annoying. It hampers his efficiency and could cause entire manufacturing processes to halt, leading to costly delays. Enter Sangfor Access Secure, Sangfor's award-winning SASE solution. Using Sangfor Access Secure's cross-border traffic acceleration, John can access all core applications with substantially reduced latency, regardless of where they are hosted. With over 100 globally distributed POP sites and a powerful private SD-WAN backbone, Sangfor Access Secure optimizes data paths to ensure a faster, smoother user experience, even when the data is traversing halfway around the world. In just a few weeks of implementing Sangfor Access Secure, John manages operations more efficiently, leading to fewer disruptions and more on-time deliveries. Like John, transform your global operations with Sangfor Access Secure. Visit our website at sangfor.com to learn more and scan the QR code to get a time-limited free trial of Sangfor Access Secure today.